Hey y'all, this is Brandy from Southern Crafts DIY, and I want to say hey to all my returning viewers and welcome any new viewers. So if you follow me on social media, which the links are down below, you'll have seen a list of everything needed for today's project. I'm super excited to do this. I'm actually making this as a gift for someone. So we're going to go ahead and jump in. I'm going to show you what's needed, and this is going to be a first attempt. I've never done this before, so let me show you what's needed and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're going to be making a candle. You have your candle kit, candle making kit. It's a burner, the thing to make the... Y'all, I can't even talk. You got the kit, you got the burner, the cup, or whatever you want to call it, that you put the wax in to melt it. You got the spoon to stir. I have candle wicks. I got my wax. I got the piece needed to hold the wick in place. I have a thermometer that I bought. Did not come with the kit. And then this is the container I'm going to be putting the candle in. So we'll see that. And then this is the new part I'm going to try. I've never actually poured it in one of these, but it should be fine. I've done other glass containers, but I'm going to be attempting to put fragrance. It's rose. We're going to see how this works. So wish me luck on this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get everything prepped. I'll leave this. So I'm only using the one unless I need more because I messed up. So there is the piece. Now, I don't think I'm going to need much of this. I'm just gonna play by ear. If I have to use more, if I end up using too much, it'll be fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour some of this in here. Y'all didn't see me make a mess. I'm very good at making a mess, y'all. Alright, so that's ready. Let me check my thermometer to make sure it still works. It does. So I'm going to turn my burner on, and then I'm going to just get it heated to a certain temp. It's between 175 and 185. I do not want to go over 200 degrees Fahrenheit because this is soy wax and it will start burning and discoloring. So we're just letting it heat up. Now it has been a minute since I made candles, so we'll see how I do. And I've never used scent before. This is going to be a first. So fingers crossed I do a good job on this. Now, I got this idea because I saw these containers and I thought they were so cute, and that's why I decided I wanted to make this candle. So give me a second while I'm doing this. I'm going to set this up, even though it's not time to do it yet. But it's because I also want to make sure the wick isn't too long. Yes, I'm going to be Alright, so I'm stirring it. It's starting to heat up and melt. I don't know if it's starting to melt, but it's starting to heat up anyways. I'm going to prepare this just in case because I don't care. The whole point was to do this, so just in case I do need the extra, because I just played it by ear on how much wax to put in there. So like I said, it has been a minute since I've done this, so we'll see if I still remember what I'm doing. As you can see, it's already starting to melt slightly. I just wanted to see something. Alright. There it goes. Look at that, melting. It's a pretty smell. Okay, I picked rose for the scent. Because I can only afford one scent right now. But I do want to go back and get more. I'm just curious where it's at right now. Mix that in. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I've never done it before. We're at the temperature it needs to be at. So we're going to pour it. I'm going to let it come down actually a little bit. I think that's how it works. me a second. I know this is off camera. And then I'm going to pour it in here. Okay. I'm not going to fill it all the way to the top. It's fine. And then I just need to let it dry. Because I don't want it to be completely full. It's about halfway full, and I'm fine with that, like I said. So we're going to go ahead and let all this dry. So I did not need the second one. I didn't think I would. So once it's done, I will show you. I will cut the wick and show you everything once it's completely cooled. I should say, not really dried. All right. All right, y'all, there it is. It's about halfway, like I said. So the next step I want to do, if I can find my scissors, is cut the wick. Because I don't want it too tall. So I cut the wick. It's in there. I think this is plenty high enough. So there it is. For what it is, I think it came out pretty good for something I ain't done in a while. Let me see. I can smell the rose. I'm hoping she'll enjoy it. I think I'm going to make another one. Like I said, this is a gift for somebody. Their birthday's coming up, and I think I'm going to give this to them for their birthday. So that's it for this project. I really, really hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, please, please, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below, because it does help my channel to grow. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.